Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make everything bigger in Windows 11. If things on your screen look too small to see clearly, we'll fix that issue in just a few clicks. First, right click anywhere on your desktop and choose Display Settings. This is going to open up a section where you can control how big or small things look on your screen. Next, look for the option that says Scale. You'll see something like 100%, 125, or 150. Click on the drop down and choose a higher number like 125%, and everything on your screen will instantly get bigger, including text, icons, and apps. If it looks too big or too small, you can always come back and change it again. Windows will remember your settings, so you only have to do this once. Let's try going a little higher, 150%. Looks much better and easier to read. And then let's go up higher, 175. Nice and big. Here's the start menu, just to show you how much bigger it is. And I think we'll turn it back down to 125. That's the sweet spot for me. And that's it. You just made everything easier to see on your screen. So you can look around the menus and test out how everything looks, and if you are okay with that, you can keep it like that, or you can repeat the same steps, go back and make it bigger or smaller. And just to show you again, difference between 100%, that's the normal default, and then 125%. Alright, there you have it. If you have any questions or need help with something else, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, click like and subscribe for more simple Windows tips.